Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. In the statement A given as well as f of t value given, then we have to find f of A plus 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, first we have to find f of A. So f of A value, what is f of t value, what is given? T square minus 3t plus 7. Therefore f of A is equal to a square minus 3a plus 7, right? 7 into I. Okay, in matrix form, write 7 into I. First we have to find a square. So a square is equal to a into a. What is a given? 1 minus 2, 4, 5 into 1 minus 2, 4, 5. After multiplication it will be, first row multiply with first column, 1 minus 8 minus 7 minus 2 minus 10 minus 12, 4 plus 20, 24 minus 8 plus 25, 17. Okay. Okay, then we have to find f of A. F of A is equal to a square value. We have got minus 7, minus 12, 24, 17, minus 3 times of A. What is A given? 1 minus 2, 4, 5 plus 7 times of I. I is unit matrix. Okay, it will going to be minus 7, minus 12, 24, 17. So minus 3 multiplied to every element of this matrix. 3 minus 6, 12, 15 plus 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay, we have got this value. So f of A is equal to minus 7 minus 3 plus 7. It will going to be minus 3. Minus 12 plus 6 plus 0 minus 6. 24 minus 12 plus 0, it will going to be plus 12. 17 minus 15 minus 7, it will going to be 9. But our target is required f of A plus 3, 6 minus 12 minus 9. This is our target. F of A value we have got minus 3, minus 6, 12, 9. So this matrix write as it is. It will going to be sum of these two matrices, minus 3 plus 3 0, minus 6 plus 6 0, 12 minus 12 0, 9 minus 9 0. This is null matrix. What is the answer? Null matrix. Okay, moving to next question. So ABC 3 2 by 2 matrices are given. Then we have to find trace of A plus trace of A into BC by 2 plus trace of A into BC whole square by 4 plus and so on up to infinity. Okay, first we have to find BC, product of B and C. So let us take BC is equal to, what is B? 3, 4, 2, 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. So BC are given. First we have to find B and C. It will going to be, first row multiply with first column, 9 minus 8 1. First row second column 0. Second row first column 6 minus 6 0. Second row second column it will going to be minus 8 plus 9 1. Is nothing but I. So BC we have got I. Therefore our target is trace of A plus trace of A into BC. BC value I by 2 plus trace of A into BC square, I square by 2 by 4 and so on up to infinity. Okay, it will going to be trace of A into I. A into I is nothing but A. So trace of A by 2, we have one formula. Trace of Ka is equal to K times of trace A. Okay, 1 by 2 times of trace A. In this 1 by 4 times of trace, A into I square value I, A into I is equal to A, and so on up to infinity. In this one, trace of A take out common, trace of A 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on up to infinity. Okay, we have got this value trace of A into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 up to infinity. So this is infinite GP. Why? Because common ratio equal and this series having infinite terms. What is the infinite GP formula? Sum of infinite GP equal to A by 1 minus R, where modulus are less than 1. So R is equal to, in this A is equal to 1, first term R is equal to common ratio 1 by 2 by 1 is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore trace of A into A by 1 minus R. What is the formula? A by 1 minus, A value 1, 1 by 1 minus R value 1 by 2. But A given 2141. First we have to find a trace of A. So trace of A is equal to, what is trace of A? Sum of principal diagonal elements. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore trace of A is equal to 3. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. So 3 2 is 6 answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So in this statement, A is equal to diagonal of 3 3 3 given. Then we have to find A to the power 4. So what is given? A is equal to diagonal 3 3 3. Okay. So diagonal of 3 elements given, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 diagonal matrix. So diagonal elements are 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, remaining all are zeros. So this is nothing but 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. In this one 3 take out common, it will going to be unit matrix. So 3 into I. So A is equal to 3 into I. But our target is A to the power 4. A to the power 4 is equal to 3I power 4. So 3 to the power 4 into I to the power 4. So I to the power 4 is nothing but I. So 3 to the power 4 is nothing but 81. 81 into I. So 81 into I, correct answer. So options 12A, 81A, 684A, 27A. So 81A, 81I can be written as 27 into 3I. 81 can be written as 27 into 3. So 3I, this 3I can be written as 3I is nothing but A. So answer 27A. 27A. So 27, 3I place in, we should write A. So 27A correct or 81I correct. Which option is there? 27A given, fourth option correct. Okay, moving to next question. If A is equal to A square AB AC, AB B square BC, AC BC C square, and A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1 given, then we have to find A. First option idempotent matrix given, second option nilpotent matrix, third option symmetric matrix, fourth option involuntary matrix. So idempotent matrix means A square is equal to A. If A square is equal to A, then A is called idempotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix is A square is equal to O, or A to the power n is equal to O, where n belongs to natural numbers. So symmetric matrix is A to the power T is transpose of A is equal to A. Involuntary matrix is A square is equal to I, where I for unit matrix. Okay. Now, so what is given condition? A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. So let us take this given condition. So let us take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. So if A, B, C value is 1, 0, 0, this condition is satisfied. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So A, B, C value substitute in given matrix. A is equal to A square 1, AB, AC 0, okay, AB, A into B, B square, BC, AC, BC, C square, okay, 1, 0, 0, this is given matrix. Okay, now first we have to find a square value. A square is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 into 1 0 0. It will going to be product of these two matrices. First row multiply with first column 1, remaining all are zeros. So this is nothing but A. If A square is equal to A, so which option is correct? First option. If A square is equal to A, then A is called idempotent matrix. Okay, moving to next question. If theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2, then we have to find this matrix, product of this given matrices. Okay, first product of given matrices, first row multiply with first column, it will going to be cos square theta into cos square pi, first row first column, plus cos theta sin theta into cos pi sin pi. Cos theta sin theta into cos pi sin pi. This is the first row first column element. Now we have to multiply first row with second column. Cos square theta cos pi sin pi plus cos theta into sin square pi. Okay, now you should multiply second row first column. Cos theta cos square pi sin theta plus sin square theta into cos pi sin pi. Next second row multiply with the second column. It will going to be cos theta sin theta cos pi sin pi plus sin square theta into sin pi. Okay, it will going to be in this one cos theta cos pi take out common, cos theta cos pi. So cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi, it will going to be remaining cos a minus b, theta minus pi. Okay, in this one cos theta as well as sin pi take out common, cos theta sin pi. It will going to be cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi. It will going to be cos theta minus pi. So in this first row second column element, in first row second column, in second row first column, in second row first column, one sin theta as well as cos pi take out common, sin theta cos pi. It will going to be cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi is cos theta minus pi. In second row second column, one sin theta as well as sin pi take out commons, sin theta into sin pi. It will going to be cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi is cos theta minus pi. But theta minus pi value given 90 degrees. So cos 90 value 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So it will going to be, so theta minus pi by 2, theta minus pi, what is given? Pi by 2. This is pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. So cos 90 value is 0, 0 into anything is 0. This is also 0, 0, 0. So what is answer? Null matrix. Okay, moving to next question. In the statement unit matrix as well as E given 0, 1, 0, 0, then we have to show that AI plus BE whole cube equal to A cube I plus 3A square BE. Okay. First we have to find AI plus BE value. A into I for unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. B into E matrix is given 0, 1, 0, 0. It will going to be, so A multiply to all, A 0, 0 A plus B multiply to every element of this matrix 0 B 0 0. It will going to be sum of these two matrices A plus 0 A, 0 plus B B, 0 plus 0 0, A plus 0 is A. What is this value? AI plus BE value. Okay, now we have to find AI plus BE whole cube. First we have to find AI plus BE whole square value. It will going to be, so AI plus BE value, we have got this value AB 0A into AB 0A. So product of these two matrices, first row multiply with first column, it will going to be A square. First row second column AB plus BA, 2AB. Second row first column 0. Second row second column A square. This is AI plus BE whole square. But our target is AI plus BE whole cube. It will going to be AI plus BE whole square is A square 2AB 0 A square. AI plus BE whole cube is A cube 3AB 0 A cube. Okay, similarly AI plus BE whole cube is equal to A cube 3AB 0 A cube. It can be written as so A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3AB 0 0. So it can be written as A cube 0 0 A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3AB 0 0. In this one A cube take out common, A cube into 1 0 0 1 is unit matrix I. In this one 3AB take out common, 0 1 0 0 is nothing but E. So A cube I plus 3A square B into E. So hence proved. Okay, A cube 3AB 0 A cube equal to, it can be written as A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3AB 0 0. Okay, we have got this value A cube 3AB 0 A cube. So it can be written as A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3AB 0 0. Okay. In this one A cube take out common 1 0 0 1. In this one 3AB take out common, it will be 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So A cube into, this is nothing but unit matrix I plus 3AB into, so this is given E. So hence proved. Therefore AI plus B whole cube. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.